today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a property in Notion. If you are organizing a database in Notion and you notice that one of your properties is no longer needed, removing it is a quick process. A property is basically one of the fields in your database, like a column in a table or a label that appears on a card in other views. Deleting unused properties can help keep your workspace cleaner and make your database easier to manage. To begin, open Notion and navigate to the database where the property is located. Once you are inside the database, find the property name you want to remove, depending on the view you are using. This may look slightly different. In a table view, it will usually appear as a column header across the top. In other views, such as a board or gallery, it may appear as a property label on a card. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct property before moving forward, since deleting it will remove it from that database. After you've located the property, click directly on the property name or header. This will open the settings menu for that property. In this menu, you'll typically see options related to the property, such as editing its name, changing its type, or adjusting how it appears. What you are looking for is the delete option, which is usually placed near the bottom of this menu. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings menu and click Delete Property. This tells Notion that you want to permanently remove that field from the database. If you don't immediately see the option, just continue scrolling until you reach the end of the menu. Once you click Delete Property, Notion will usually ask you to confirm the action. This is an important safeguard because deleting a property can also remove the data stored in that field across your database. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Delete to complete the process. And that's it. The property will now be removed from your Notion database. If you are cleaning up a larger system, it's a good idea to pause briefly before deleting properties and double-check that they are no longer being used anywhere important. That extra moment can help prevent accidental data loss and keep your workspace organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.